First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Agus Wisnu Darmawan. My cadet register number 19.55.2002 in Major Technical Department. I am from Polytechnic Bumi Akpelni. Excuse me, ma'am, as the English lecturer of Maritime English. At this moment, I would like to explain what is the engine tools and how to use it. Okay, without further ado, I will begin to explain it. Let's enjoy it. Wait a minute, what do you know about engine tools? I think all of you have understood what is the engine tools, but let me to explain it briefly. Engine tools, or we usually know hand tools, are hand tools that are used with manual hand strength or human power and not with machine or such as power tools. Some examples of hand tools are hammers, screwdrivers, pliers, and the last is wrench. Hand tools are generally less dangerous than electric tools. First is hammer. Hammer is very simple striking tool, being just a weighted head and a handle to direct its course. There are several types of hammers. A. The ball pen hammer. Often the machinist hammer is a very useful tool aboard ship. The head of the hammer is made of hardened steel. The handle is of hickory or other hardwood. The flat portion of the head is called the face, and the other end is known as the pen, the latter being used for hitting rivet and similar pinning or drawing operation. B. The strike pen hammer is used for spreading or drawing out metal in line with the handle, while the cross pen hammer is used for the same operation at right angles with the handle. The claw hammer is used for driving and pulling nails. Hammers with head made of soft material such as wood. C. Sledges or sledgehammer are used for heavy work. They can be procured in both single-phase and double-phase types. A double-phase sledge vary in weight from 4 to 20 pounds. The second is screwdrivers. Screwdrivers have three main parts. The handle, which is gripped by the user, the shank, which is the steel portion extending from the handle, and the blade, which is the end of fits into the slot of the screw. There are several types of screwdrivers. A. The standard screwdriver is used for most ordinary work and comes in a variety of size. The blade must have sharp corners and fit the slot in the screw closely, otherwise it is likely to slip and damage the slot. B. The offset screwdriver makes work possible in tight corner where the strike type will not enter. It has one blade forged in line with the shank, and the other blade at right angle to the shank. C. The Phillips type screwdriver is made with a specially shaped bed to fit Phillips type cross slot screw. The heads of this screw have two slots that cross in the center. This checks the tendency of the screwdriver to slide off of the slot onto the finished surface of the work. D. The ratchet screwdriver is used to drive or remove small screw rapidly. The third is pliers. Pliers is tool usually used in electrical installation and contractors. The shape of this tool is like a clamp. In addition, players have various types with various functions. A. Side cutting plates are used principally for holding and bending the material or for cutting wire. Adjustable combination plates have a slip joint that permits the jaws to be opened wider at the hinge for gripping large diameters. B. Diagonal cutting pliers have short jaws with blades at a slight angle. As shown, this tool is valuable with removing and replacing cotter pins and can be used not only to cut the pins to the desired length but to spread the ends after the pins are in place. The last is wrench. Wrench, fundamentally, the wrench is a tool for exerting a twisting strain, as in turning bolts and nuts. As the majority of nuts and bolt heads are hexagonal or six-sided, many wrenches are specially designed to fit hex head and hex nuts. A. Open-end wrench. Solid non-adjustable wrenches with openings in one or both ends are called open-end wrenches. B. Adjustable wrench. A handy all-round wrench for light work is the adjustable open-end wrench. The jaw of this wrench is fixed. The other jaw is moved along a slide by a screw adjustment. The angle between the jaw opening. C. Box and wrench. Some box and wrench have 6 inside face or nuts, but most of them have 12 nuts. This wrench being known as a 12-point or double hex box wrench. D. Socket wrench. Two typical one-piece socket wrenches. These are heavy-duty wrenches made with 4 inside face for square nuts or with 6 inside face for hex nuts. E. Torque wrench. One type of torque wrench, this tool is used as a socket wrench handle in order to exert the desired amount of strain when tightening nuts and bolts. F. Spanner wrench. Several types of spanner wrench. The hook spanner works on a one nut which has a series of nuts cut in its outer surface. The hook or lock is placed in one of the nuts and the handle turned to loosen or tighten the nut. G. Special wrench. Several special wrenches. The Allen type wrench has a 6-sided shaft that fits into the hex shaft wrench of set screw and cap screw.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, we are at workshop right now, and today I will show you about hand tools like hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers. Let's go. There are hand tools in my hand. Okay, let's go. The first, you have to grab the handle of hammer. The second, you have to grab the nail. And you have to hit the nail with the head of the hammer until the nail gets down. It is screwdriver. The first, you have to grab the head of screwdriver. The second, you have to grab the screw. And then you have to unite the screwdriver with the screw, then you turn the screwdriver until the screw goes in. It is pliers. The first, you have to grab the handle of pliers. The second, you must grab the object once to cut the grip or using pliers. You have to grip the object and then turn the pliers until the object is firmly attached. it is wrench. The first, you have to grab the handle of wrench. The second, we have to hold the ball, and then you must insert the wrench with the ball and then turn the wrench until the balls look. Okay, I think enough for me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you can enjoy watching this video. I'm sorry if I have any mistake. And the last I say thank you. Goodbye and see you on another video.